dance is called Light Up My Heart. 32 count, 4 walls. It's an improver level line dance. And there are 3 tags in this dance. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, step right forward, touch left behind right. Step forward, touch, step back on your left, make a quarter turn to your right. Repeat the same step. Now step left forward, touch right behind left, step your right back, make a quarter turn to your left. Back to 12 o'clock. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Forward shuffle, rock recover. Forward shuffle with your right. Forward together, forward. Rock, recover. Make a shuffle, half turn to your left. Quarter together, quarter. Make a pivot quarter turn to the left. Step, pivot quarter turn. Section 2 with the count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Third section. Cross point, cross point, cross, sweep with a jazz cross. Cross, back, side, cross. Section 3 the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, lindy to your right and left. Side together, side, rock back, recover. Side together, side, rock back, recover. And you end the dance here, starting your wall 2 facing 3 o'clock. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there are 3 tags. Let me show you the tag after wall 2 and wall 6. At the end of wall 2, step your right to right, drag left towards right, and rock back, recover. Repeat mirror image to the left. Step to the side, drag, rock back, recover. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue a rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Do 2 military turn. Step, turn to the left, and step, turn to the left. So the second section with the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 16 count tag after wall 2 and wall 6. After wall 4, there is a tag. The tag will be only the first 4 counts. After the 4th wall, the tag is side,